Looking out there this afternoon, it has stayed overcast as we've moved through much of the day, but even despite that, we've managed to warm up a decent bit here, more than we have in recent days. We're already into the lower 70s as you head down into Montgomery County, Germantown at 72, but still in those upper 60s back to the north and west. Frederick and Martinsburg and Hagerstown at 68 degrees. Charlestown almost to that 70-degree mark and into the middle 60s as you get down further into northern Virginia at this hour. And taking a look at that satellite and radar picture, the rainfall has now pushed into central Virginia, Roanoke, Richmond, both seeing that shower activity, but it is still not quite into the four-state region. We still have just a lot of cloud cover overall and have remained dry throughout the entire day so far. But with that rainfall now getting ever so closer by the mid to late afternoon, northern Virginia, southern Maryland likely to be seeing some of that rainfall here today before the cold front starts to influence a lot of that rain then off to the north and east as we go throughout the rest of your day today. So like I just mentioned, the rain is slowly going to approach and move in here this evening. Some of us will still stay dry, but that rain will be out there, especially to the south and east through northern Virginia and southern Maryland. Then we start to dry out pretty quickly tomorrow, and it's going to be breezy, which will allow skies to clear out very quickly as we go throughout your Friday. And then we will expect to see chilly temperatures with that north wind ushering in more cool, dry air for the weekend, and overnight lows are going to be chilly once again Saturday and Sunday nights. But check it out here. Like I mentioned, the rain continues on a northward path, but eventually we start to see that rotation basically where it's going to stop going as much north and then eventually north and east. So northern Virginia, southern Maryland seeing a good deal of rainfall. There could be some showers further to the north and west through the eastern panhandle and back through central and western Maryland, but that's not likely at this point. We're going to have more dry time than not. All of this rainfall will push out by the time we get into your Friday morning. And look at this as we go throughout the day on Friday, things like I mentioned clearing out very quickly with that front through and northerly winds kicking all of the precipitation and cloud cover out of the area so that the weekend starts out on a very clear note. And in terms of rainfall totals, we're not seeing any substantial amounts that we have to be worried about across the area, but down where the steadiest precipitation will be about a half an inch is definitely possible, as the sharp cutoff between an inch to nothing is going to be there right on the very edge of the viewing area. So the rest of this afternoon, again, we are going to see those temperatures still steadily climbing. We will try to get into the upper 70s, many locations staying in those middle 70s with the rainfall starting about the time we see those warmest temperatures. And beyond Friday, like I mentioned, highs in the 60s all the way into early next week with lows down into the lower 40s, maybe even a few upper 30s. Not out of the question. First day of fall is on Tuesday, and it's still going to be feeling fall-like as we go through next week.